My name is Sandra. I'm from Mexico. I come from the south part of Mexico, from a city called Oaxaca. So then the opportunity came to apply to this program last year, and then I decided that that it was the perfect time to make this step and to study this program. This is one of the few programs related to spa wellness management in the world. It's not only in Europe. And here in Estonia, and in Pärnu College is the perfect place to study it because we are surrounded by the nature, but also we have the urban part where we can be able to get access to high quality like medical services, also partnerships with companies. Pärnu, it's a very peaceful city. Yes, it's small, but I like a lot like the coziness in general of the city. Pärnu College is like the perfect place to study like, this program in specific.